Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're at the East Quarter Residences. We're about to do a one-bedroom model walkthrough. I think you're really gonna like this. This is what the hallway looks like. It's very, very nice. This is a beautiful high-rise style building, and I think you're gonna absolutely love it. Hey, let's go ahead and walk in. This is a keyless entry too. So I'm gonna walk in and I wanna show this off. Isn't this delightful? This is beautiful. So the kitchen is just a treat. There's so much going on here. I'm not going to describe everything, but over here is a bar area. That's really unusual. I don't see that a lot. I love it that it's there with that wine fridge. But then the kitchen is perfect. It just feels so spacious. It's beautiful. This is a huge island, so you can really entertain on here. And then, hey, look at all of these cabinets. This is amazing. The colors in here, I love the gray and kind of the alternating, a little bit darker gray. That's really pretty. The appliances are very high caliber with gas, stainless steel. And then even this beautiful, they somehow put this slab in here, and it's not, they polished it a bit, I guess, and it looks just great. It fits right in. So gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. We're going to walk into the living room, and there's plenty of space here for whatever you need in the living room. It's pretty phenomenal. Here's another view, by the way, of that kitchen. It's really hard to go away from this kitchen. But here is the living room, and beautiful use of space in here. There's kind of a recessed ceiling a little bit there. And then this is actually on the 8th floor. This is the amenity floor. So if I walk in, I'm basically walking out to the pool and the amenities and then the private bar. So this is a pretty phenomenal apartment. I'm going to go also, we're going to go check out the bedroom and the bathroom. We'll go to a part 2 on that, but we're about to walk into that. And now go ahead and let's go to part 2. And if you like what you're seeing, obviously keep watching, but do me a favor, go ahead and like this video and just like it here on YouTube, and then subscribe to the channel. Just a reminder, we have more content by far than any other service by far. So, go and subscribe. You'll get access to all of our content and the newest alerts. Can't wait to hear from you. Now let's go ahead and do the part 2 and see the beautiful bedroom and bathroom.